Let's see how to convert your Android TV into store mode. Like when you go to any stores, you can see the store advertisement will be placed on the TV. So like that, how we need to convert our home Android TV. First, copy your advertisement video into a flash drive or SD card like this, and then connect this on your TV. I just connected the flash drive in the TV. So this will pop up like this. You need to open USB and open this. Here you can see I have two advertisement video. Let's convert this thing. First, on your home page you need to open the settings. So here it is. I just go to the settings and open the full settings option. So there you can see I just open that, and here scroll down a while and you can see this option system. You need to open that, and here you just scroll down and find mode, TV mode. Here you can see the TV mode option. So here it is. You just open that and click store mode and just read these pop-up things. Yes and okay. Click on down store mode demo. Open that. So here you can see it fetched my advertisement video. I just download that. Here also I download that. You can use the default mode. This is TV's demo option. Okay, it's downloaded. You just open that. This is default TV video, advertisement video. This is yours. So this is how it will place in the background automatically. So the demo video will place over and over again. So until you manually turn off the TV mode. So this is how it works. In case if you want to convert this TV into normal, you just come to here and choose home mode, and you can delete the store mode option. So I don't want that. I just untick and exit. It is done. So this is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about Android TV, you need to watch this playlist.